Today I'm going to share a really simple dish of garlic and rosemary lamb chops. So for this dish you will need...
To make garlic and rosemary lamb chops you will need 20 lamb chops, 5 cloves of garlic finely sliced, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 sprig of fresh rosemary and sea salt to taste. You will also require a griddle pan or frying pan, and this recipe is dairy-free friendly.
So in our house we go through a lot of garlic, so therefore we tend to buy frozen garlics that come in cubes like this. They're really easy to buy and they're already, all the garlic's been crushed already, so it's ready just to go in, so it's convenient as well. So we go through quite a lot of these in the dishes we cook, and especially in curries. So I'm going to use 2 of these. If you haven't got crushed garlic like this, you can just use cloves, so you could use 4 or 5 cloves, just thinly slice them and add them in. Okay, so I've got my lamb chops here, I've got 20 lamb chops here that I've washed. I'm going to add olive oil, so about 3 tablespoons, but I'm literally just going to glug it in. There we go. I'm then going to add some sea salt. This is Himalayan sea salt. 3 or 4 grinds of that. I'm now going to add my garlic. Straight in with the garlic. And the other one. So just thawed that out. And then I'm going to add my rosemary. So I've got a sprig of rosemary here, which is from the garden. Rosemary is such an easy herb to grow. It doesn't really need much caring. So if you fancy planting a herb, then get a pot out, get a sprig of rosemary, get some rosemary seeds and plant some rosemary. And trust me, it grows really easily, and you can just cut the sprigs off and use it fresh. And it smells amazing, and it really makes your food taste great. So I'm just going to take the sprigs off there and add them in. And then, this is the fun bit, get your hands in. Yes, it's meat, but it doesn't matter. Give it a really good stir. And you want to almost massage all those flavours into the meat. And then once that's done, good stir. Make sure the olive oil's in there, not stuck at the bottom. Okay, that's fantastic. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put that into the fridge for 2 to 3 hours to let the marinade really absorb into the meat, and then we will grill our lamb chops.
After marinating, remove from the fridge approximately 30 minutes before you plan to cook. With the help of an adult if required, heat up a griddle pan or fry pan till very hot. Add a small amount of oil and then add your lamb chops one by one. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes on each side if you require them medium, or alter the time more or less if you prefer them rarer or more well done. Ensure that you turn them regularly to ensure that they cook evenly and brown well on both sides. When you're happy with your lamb, carefully remove from the hot pan and leave for 20 minutes to rest before serving. This will ensure the juices remain within the lamb. Serve with your favourite accompaniments and enjoy.